Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your EVS revision class. Children, today we are going to learn see chapter 2, My Body and Its Organs. We have already learned this chapter. Now we are going to revise for half yearly exam. Okay, in this chapter, My Body and Its Organs, we learned that we have many parts in a body. What are they? Eyes, we have ears, we have mouth, nose, tongue, hands and feet, hands, legs, fingers, toes, knees, etc. Okay, this is a body. We have eyes. Okay, 2 eyes, 2 ears, nose, mouth, head, etc. Here you see this is fingers, this is hand, this is knee, toe, foot, this is leg, etc. So this is our body parts. Okay. So in this chapter 2, My Body and Its Organs, we also saw we watch TV through our eyes, and we run with our legs, and we do drawing and coloring with our hands and fingers. Okay, children. Now come to page number 15, chapter 2 mein. So each and every part has its own special role to play. Okay. So how we write and hold things with our hands and fingers. Then we walk and run with our legs. We eat and speak with our mouth. Okay. We bite and chew food with our teeth. Okay, children. Now come to the sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. So these 5 are sense organs. They help us to see. Eyes helps us to see, and nose helps us to smell, ear helps us to hear, and tongue helps us to taste and touch things around us. Through our skin we feel. Okay. Now see here, this girl is watching the TV through her eyes. The boy is smelling the rose with his nose. This girl is hearing the song with her ears. Okay, children. Page 16. Here you see what the boy is doing. He is eating ice cream. He is tasting with his tongue. Here this boy is touching the sheep and the skin. So he is feeling what he is touching, etc. Okay. In this chapter 2, My Body and Its Organs, the life skills and the values that learned. Our body helps us to do small and big tasks. We should take care of our body. We should stay clean and healthy, so we won't get sick. Then we saw in this chapter points to remember. What are they? Our body is made up of different parts. Each part of our body has a special role to play. We have 5 sense organs. We should take good care of our body. Now we saw there are 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, these are the points that we learned in this chapter. Now come to 17, words to learn. We saw there are some learned new words in this chapter: toe, knee, chew, teeth, sense organs. Toe means what? One of the 5 parts that are found at the end of the foot, in our foot. Knee, the part in the middle of our leg where it bends. Chew, to break food into smaller pieces with our teeth. Teeth, the hard white parts in the mouth that helps us to bite and chew food. Sense organs, parts of the body, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin that helps us to know about the world around us. Okay. Then we saw in this chapter some exercises. They are filling the blanks. What are they? In the filling the blanks, you see, our first one. Our body is made up of dash parts. We have 3 parts or many parts. The answer is many. Okay, this many is the correct answer. We have filled. Second one. We have fingers on a dash and toes on a feet. Option is given hands and or feet. Hands or feet. What is there? We have 5 fingers on a hands and toes on a feet. Okay. Third one. We hold a pencil with the help of our dash. Here given toes or fingers. It is fingers. Okay. We hold pencil with our fingers. Fourth one. We eat and speak with a dash. Here given mouth or skin. What is the answer? Mouth. Fifth one. We dash take care of our body. Should or should not? What we have tried? We should take care of our body. Okay, children. Now come to the B. Choose the correct answer. First one. We see with a what? Option. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue. So we have see with the eyes. We hear with a, how do we hear? Toes, ears, nose, tongue. It is given. How do we hear? We hear with our eyes, ear. We taste with a option eyes, ears, skin and tongue. So when we eat food, we taste with our tongue. Okay, these are correct answer. Children, turn to page 18. See, fourth one, we feel with our option nose, ears, skin, eyes. So we feel with our skin. Okay. Then fifth one, which of these is not a sense organ? We saw 5 sense organs. Eyes, skin, tongue, face is given. So which is not sense organ? Face. Okay. These are some of the exercises we learned in this chapter. Then we also learned name of the body parts that helps us to walk and run. What are they? It is legs. Helps us to walk and run. How do our teeth help us? The teeth help us to nicely grind the food and eat our food what we eat. Name 5 sense organs. We have already seen eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin are 5 sense organs. Okay, children. Okay, children. Now look at this worksheet. Some more else filling the blanks. Choose the correct answer. Whatever we learned, I have typed here and sent to you for your reference to learn. Then answer the following questions. Some more answers I have written, and I will send you this all in the Telegram. You can see and learn. Okay. Then, children, you will get fill in the blanks, match the following, one word answer. So, one word answer all you will get from points to remember. So, I will send the worksheet for you to read, learn and study. Okay. So, we will end our class with this revision of our chapter 2. my body and its organs. Okay, then the exercises and the worksheet I will send to you in the Telegram. You will see and do it. Okay, children, wish you all the best. Please do study well.